in the bowl.
Hey guys, today I decided to do a little commentary on my videos, or one of my videos, Airsoft videos, because, you know, I don't believe you guys just get all that I'm doing for this. Anyway, we'll pause here. I haven't really been doing much Airsoft videos, or not Airsoft videos, but much videos lately because, no, I don't do much videos that much, but, because I can't, it didn't sound right when, cause my voice was cracking like crazy for the last week, so, anyway, if you're watching this now, my voice shouldn't crack that much, so, or just not crack at all, or, anyway, please enjoy.
They already know where we're at, so.
Anyway, I was supposed to stay where I was, as you saw me mention to Roy over here, who's heading right here. They already know where we are, and this is their base. They have a buggy and all that, and so, I guess, yeah. Anyway, I'm trying to think of something to do, and, forget what I did. Oh yeah, I shot there at Roy because I just wanted to freak him out a little.
No.
He asked me if I shot at him, and I said no. Anyway, I decided to go to the top of this bowl because they know where Roy is, so they may fire at Roy, and I could just be on the top of the bowl. So anyway, we head up there. Slowly. Crawling slowly. Just barely moving. Barely alive.
That's great. I can do this. Alright, I'm ready, Roy. Go!
Anyway, I sit here and wait because I'm expecting them. Well, let's go back a little bit. I'm horrible at doing this thing. These things. Anyway, I sit here and wait because I'm expecting them to come from this ridge line, go to this tree, and move up and push us out of the bushes. Which wouldn't be very strategic, but it is a way to do it. Anyway, let's see, we'll go back. Because we'll have the vintage cover. It's not very strategic.
Where are they, Roy?
I asked Roy where they are right here because I don't know where they are at all, and so doesn't he, because you can't hear his reply in this video. But
I know, I can't find.
He doesn't really know either. Anyway,
Roy,
as I was pulling this
too.
corner, crawl right here. I spotted him in this tree. You know, you clearly see somebody standing there. Got a clear shot of him right there, and there's another person there. Those are the enemies. We only have 2 guys versus 2. Yeah. They start fully autoing me and stuff.
Oh, wait, 20.
start firing through the opening, I can see that tree in. Yeah. They're hiding, crouching behind this branch right there because
He went behind the tree.
Because it's a lot harder for me to hit him from up there. And Reed's behind the tree. Move this way. There you go.
I'm on top of the bull.
There, I was telling Roy where it was. If it wasn't obvious. Look at him run. You better run across that field. Then right over here, Reed's hiding behind that tree. And I don't see him walking out from here until I turn and look at him, and then I kind of start looking at him stuff. Eventually I get down and start crawling, which I might do here or there. I don't know. But I kind of start moving again, get back up, and start moving again towards that tree where I'll have the best cover to shoot at him from. And, yeah. So we keep on moving up.
Get out of here. My spot.
Telling Roy to get out of
This is my spot.
there. Because, you know, of course.
This is my spot.
Anyway, it was my spot and all
this
that.
is my
And
spot.
I don't know. I had the
Get
wrong
down there.
mindset. Wasn't very strategic because safety and numbers and stuff. So anyway, we keep on moving up. They shoot at us. We're shooting at them. So forth.
Come on. Alright, let's scare the shit out of him then. Yeah, put that up in
Hi!
clip.
Freaking out of ammo!
Roy's out of ammo, but he got shot.
Where are they, Roy? Where is he, Roy?
And anyway, we start moving up. I shoot them, end up hitting them, but I don't know that yet. So anyway, I keep on moving. They shoot at us. Stuff. And then they yell that they're hit already.
Well, then why are you
and,
shooting at us?
I think I'm totally that was, that got me because I didn't know. And so we keep on moving anyway. Eventually we get to the end of the video, which is about here. Move forward. About here. End of the video. And, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was my commentary over one of my videos.